Hello everybody, I wanted to share with you something really interesting that I saw on the 24th of December of this month, and today's the 30th. I know it took me long to do this video. Here's my palm tree, and little did I know that it has flowers. Look at that. I don't know, it's different from what I would think. It's so cute. I don't know if you can appreciate it. It's a strange flower. I can't believe this. And that's all that I see on it. And that, there's another one over here. You see that? And there's another one all the way over there. There's actually two more. I'm like shocked. I didn't know this plant flowers. That's the flower. This plant is actually flowering. I don't see little flowers, but I see little bumps on it. So I don't know if that's all you get from the flower. But hey, it's cute. Yes, my friends, this palm, I'm not sure if I'm saying it correct, but I will write down the proper name. It's making flowers. I didn't think this plant makes flowers, but yeah, isn't it so adorable? It's so cute. Anyways, my friends, this is what I wanted to share with you. This beautiful palm tree has been growing in the corner of the washroom, nicely in front of the bright window, and it's actually liking the place I put it, I think more than a year now, and it's just grown so wide and big, and more new leaves. I'm getting more new leaves every single day. This one is the one that made a heart leaf. I just stick the rose in there, I know. I'm actually gonna take it out. But yes, I'm excited with this little surprise. Subscribe if you're new. Don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And I wish you all a very, very happy New Year's, and I hope you enjoyed your Christmas. I hope the whole 2020 will be a nice year for all. Thank you all for watching. Bye.